Hello, Healthy Skin family. So if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Surita, aka Remih. So Remih is a healthy skincare brand that helps African women achieve a clear and a healthy skin while avoiding all the harsh chemicals in the market. So the reason why Remih was created because during my teenage age, I came in contact with a lot of creams out there in the market that damaged my skin barrier, and I was so looking for a solution. And when I finally got the solution, I thought there must be an African somewhere, or a teenager somewhere as well, or an African woman somewhere struggling with their skin as well that will need a solution. So I did a lot of personal research and enrolled into so many skincare schools, including the multi award winning Formula Botanica in United Kingdom. So far, we have been able to help 3,000 plus African women treat acne, blemishes, uneven skin tone, and so many skin issues. Yes, our products are certified and formulated respecting GMP. It is a pleasure to meet you. Let me know what your skin issues are.